Yo dudes, Matt V2099 here. I'm back with another mad scientific operation, and we're gonna bring back a series I totally forgot about. This is some 22 long rifle, and I have a series of videos where we destroy 22 in fascinating and operational and mad scientific ways, such as blenders, deep fryers, RHMBs, and other ways. So first, you know, safety is #1 priority, so let's get on those operator gloves and commence operations. Alright homies, what we have here is a popcorn popper. And my scientific research indicates that 22 long rifle will indeed pop in a popcorn popper. We got some popcorn and some 22. Let's see what happens. So first we're gonna actually test and verify that this popcorn popper pops. Okay, so let's chuck some of this crap in there and see what happens. We got a plug-a-zine here. Alright, it's going. Starting to smell good. Ah, got a bowl just in time. Alright, so we can verify that this is indeed a fully functional and operational popcorn popper. So what we're going to do, the plan of attack is, #1, tell me, do you think bullets will go off in a popcorn popper? I don't think they will, so we're going to scientifically verify it. So we're going to put a couple in there and see what happens. And then we'll mix them with popcorn for test 2. We'll mix some popcorn and bullets. And then test 3, we'll put a whole just handful of bullets in there and see what happens. So let's get right to it. I'm going to go put this inside. We're going to this is dinner. Alright, so we have a empty popcorn popper here. My research indicates these things get really hot inside. Some random temperature, who knows what, but let's just put some bullets in there and see what happens. And I do this because I want to show how much of a baller I am. That, you know, I just got like 22 long rifle just to burn, man. I know plenty of you can't get 22 where you're at or can't find it. That's cool. I don't have that problem. Put some of these in here. So 2, 3, 4. There's 5 of them in there. Let's put 6. And then if this works, we'll put some popcorn, mix it with a few, and then if that works, we'll just put like a whole ton of these in there and see what happens. So there's 5. Let's get that juice on. Alright, I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to go away and come back when I hear them go off. Or if they don't go off, I'll come back, unplug it, wait for a while. Alright, let's see what happened in there. Looks like they all went off. It actually damaged the inside of the thing. This is about 632 caliber. So we're putting a 22 caliber in a 632 caliber bore, so nothing really happens. As you can see, the bullets are just chilling in there. The brass, however, since it's the actual lightest part, is what flew everywhere, and it was at our plastic barrel here. It shot brass all over our concrete patio. You can see there's brass everywhere. So that totally worked. And why did that work? That worked. I knew it would work because this heats up to about approximately 475 degrees. You need about 300 degrees to set the primers off in these things. Okay. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put some popcorn in there and some bullets and see what happens. Okay, we're going to put a bed of kernels down. And I knew, like I came back once I knew 5 went off. I knew it was safe. They don't have enough force to penetrate or go through the plastic or anything, because the heaviest part, the lead, okay, let's just put 6 or 7 in there. 8. That way I can just count and I know when they're all done. And put some more kernels on top. Alright, I'm going to go to a safe distance, even though I know this is not dangerous whatsoever. But I hope a lot of you think it's dangerous, because that's how you get a lot of views on YouTube. Alright, let's plug it in and I'm going to go hide somewhere and work on my bonfire. Okay, so we have a live one in there. I'm going to go walk away for a while till it cools down. Okay, one of them didn't go off. I bet it's got a hole in the casing. That's one of the ones I blended, so I bet the powder just kind of ignited and vented out that hole. So put this in our pile here. that was pretty cool. How many do you want me to put in there? This is probably going to destroy the popcorn popper. This is probably the first and last operation with a popcorn popper. I may have to procure a new one so we can do like 9mm or 7.62x39. So, I don't know, let's just take a handful. I'm going to count them though, so that I have some sort of idea. I put 30 in there, so that's a fully loaded assault popcorn popper. This popcorn popper is illegal in 17 of the United States. We have exceeded legal capacities in the tyranny states. Because I'm in a freedom state, I can put as many bullets in this popcorn popper as I want. So I'm going to go to a safe distance. We put a full assault clip in there. Let's see what happens. Put our dust cover on here. We're going to lock and load our assault popazine popper and see what happens. All right, I'm booking it out here. Sam! Alright dudes, that was a fully loaded assault popcorn popper. You've never seen anything like that anywhere except on my channel and a few others. Let's survey the devastation. So the inside of this thing is toast. It still works though. I think I can get another video out of it before it's destroyed and I have to buy a new one for this series. I was going to film an RHMB today, but that didn't work, so this is like my magical video I just pulled out of my ass. And I think it's a good one. So we got our popcorn here. Let's eat some of this. Yum. That's nasty. So we got bullets everywhere. Okay, so when I do these destroying 22 long rifle video or 22 long rifle bullet videos, I get a lot of responses. People think I'm stupid. They think I'm rich. I'm just having fun, man. So I know that if you set off one of these cartridges, the bullet isn't going to go anywhere. It's the heaviest part. The lightest part is that casing. The casing is going to split, maybe rupture, fly. You can see there's brass everywhere. It's all destroyed. So there's possibly in some eye. If you're not wearing eye protection, you might be able to hurt your eyes. But the bullet doesn't go anywhere. As you can see, the bullets were left alone, and the casing is what fired. This is the lightest part. There we go. I'm just out here having fun, and I hope I pissed off a lot of people. And come back for more 22 long rifle wasting adventures on the Matt V2099 channel. See ya. Yo dudes, if you made it this far, please feel free to tell me what you thought of the video in the form of a comment. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see, what you liked or disliked about the video. Go ahead and hit that like or dislike. That helps me too. Check me out on Instagram and Facebook. And I have a second channel named Matthew James Beast. Thanks for watching. Matt V out.